Now at Chinese convocation, and there's a Yining and there's a Roji, Eugene, this is Glenn, and they all want to look like Chia Yi. Look like Chia Yi again. Do the okay.
再见我面色都变色都变色
You just remember.
I want medal I want medal I want medal I want medal My best friend giving speech I want medal I want medal I want A+. No, I want to be medal.
You cannot be medal, but I got chance of getting medal.
I want medal.
Look at Ken's face, just the... That's all you can say.
You got medal already.
Yeah, you got medal already. What else do you need to say?
Oh, Chia Yi. Hi, Zachi. I'm sorry but congratulations. Next time I got fever, headache, I want a class A treatment, although I'll pay like class C subsidized ward. I don't want SGH, I only want NUH. And
I think you iron it.
I think a lot of people are staring at me now.
I touch it. Hey, the speech just got worse.
Congrats on graduating. Sorry that I come late. No, you just say I'm late on time. I came on time.
So now we're at Gracia's house and preparing for her birthday. And then since we can't light up the candles, it's gonna be G24. Happy birthday to you.
God's blessing you now. God's blessing you now. God's blessing you now. God's blessing you now.
Hey, Gracia, any thoughts? This is Gracia's roundabout party. Circle. Oh yeah, that's me also.
We must make a round. Yay, welcome to the family.